Hi, welcome to Ranger Vehicle Services web series. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to go over the proper techniques on how to change out a battery or jump your vehicle off. Whether you're using another vehicle or you're using a jump box, it's going to be the same process to jump off your car. We're going to go over the ins and outs on the correct and proper way to do this, and so let's get started. Alright, so the tools that we'll be making sure that we have today are a pair of safety goggles, a wire brush, a pair of channel locks, and a jump box. So what we're going to do first, now that we actually have our battery, what we're going to want to do first is go and we're going to disconnect our hot side first. We're going to disconnect that. We're going to move it away. Moving over to the negative portion. We'll move our negative away so that they do not touch. We always want to ensure that they're not touching one another. Remove your battery. So the same concept, whenever we're reinstalling the battery, we're just going to go backwards. We're always going to make sure that we go our hot side first. And an important note, on most vehicles, red is positive, black is negative. So you're going to put the red where the positive sign is and tighten it down pretty well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to reconnect our negative post. Again, we're making sure that black goes to negative, red going to positive. Now, whenever we're jumping off a vehicle, what I like to use is the Matco jump boxes. It has the best cold cranking amps and it will fire up each and every time. What we're going to do first, before we actually get started on the jump box itself, we want to take our wire brush and we're going to clean our connectors. That ensures that we'll have a solid connection, and we won't have to worry about missing out on any fire that could go somewhere else. What I like to do is make sure whatever jump box I'm using has an on and off toggle. That way I can go ahead and connect and I can be safe. Not all jump boxes have that. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect first to your fire, to your positive side, and then we're going to connect away from the battery itself. And we're going to ground it out on something else. I like to use the bolts in the back. Now we're going to turn on. That's going to give us enough fire. Now, if you've connected everything the way that it should be properly up underneath the hood with your jump box and make sure that the power is toggled on, it'll fire up every time. Well, that's all for this time, folks. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube, or look us up on Facebook at Ranger Vehicle Services.